Hi guys, here 9 plus 18 is 27 divided by 3 power 2, 2 plus 1 in bracket minus 2. Here 27 divided by this 3 square is 9, 2 plus 1 in bracket minus 2. Here 27 divided by 9 is 3 times this 2 plus 1 in bracket minus 2. Here 3 times this is 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 2. Here 3 times 3 is 9 minus 2 is 7 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, 7 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 9 plus 18 divided by 3 to the power of 2. The bracket here is 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 2. Here the next priority is exponent here. We have here 3 power 2. We have to do this 3 power 2 before any other operation. So 9 plus 18 divided by 3 power 2 is 9 times 3 minus 2. Here we have addition, division, multiplication and subtraction. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right here. Here left to right is 18 divided by 9. So we have to do this 18 divided by 9 before any other operation. So 9 plus 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 3 minus 2. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 9 plus 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2. Here we have addition and subtraction. Both are here equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 2 is 13 is the correct answer.